What if the information you trust is no longer created by humans, but shaped by algorithms? On March 30th, 2026, students at NCCU's GCIT program gathered for a session opened by Assistant Professor Christine Cook, who welcomed the speakers from Reporters Without Borders, exploring the future of journalism in the age of AI. Speakers Arthur Rochereau and Irene Chien introduced RSF's global advocacy work, from public campaigns and petitions to policy proposals and strategic litigation aimed at defending press freedom. The session highlighted how AI is increasingly shaping the information ecosystem. AI is transforming how people consume and trust information. In response, RSF emphasized the need for stronger protections. This includes ensuring transparency in how content is used, giving journalists the right to opt out of AI training, and securing fair compensation for their work. Throughout the session, students actively engaged with the speakers, reflecting on the challenges of media freedom in Asia and the growing impact of AI. Students were reminded that in an AI-driven world, protecting truth is not only a technological issue, but a shared responsibility.
Master's Program in Global Communication and Innovation Technology, NCCU.